Hello, how are you? Let us write introduction for mixed essay. And for the introduction, I use the three sentence method. I believe you all are aware about this three sentence method by now. So, in three sentence method, the first sentence is paraphrasing or rephrasing of statement. Every question has a statement followed by the sub questions. So, we have to paraphrase or rephrase the statement. That means we can use synonyms, we can change the sentence structure, but we cannot change the meaning. So, meaning should remain same. Just take care of this. Now, outline. It is optional for academic students as the band requirement is low. But it is important for the students aiming for 7+ band in writing. In the third one, we are giving our opinion. Opinion is must for all the students. You need to state your opinion clearly. You need to answer whatever the question is demanding. So you need to look at the question carefully, read it twice and then give your opinion properly. And outline it if you are a GT student. Outlining it means giving the ideas or giving hint to the examiner about what you are going to mention in body paragraph 1 as well as in body paragraph 2. Now let us look at the question. So we have this question here. Nowadays many people interact with each other has changed a lot because of technology. So what can we write? For we can mention method. Many people, most individuals interact, converse, communicate with each other. We can write the way they communicate more than enough, has modified a lot, has altered a lot, has altered drastically, modified drastically, transformed drastically owing to the advanced technology or owing to the advancement in technology. We can write this. So the meaning should remain same. Now we'll be writing the opinion as well. Let us see how. Technology has advanced at a rapid pace. This is the paraphrase statement. Technology has advanced at a rapid pace in the past few decades, and the methods through which most individuals use to communicate have been modified with the help of the internet. With internet we always use the. Take care of this. Technology has advanced at a rapid pace in the past few decades, and the methods through which most individuals use to communicate have been modified with the help of the internet. So for technology, I have used one of the things, and that is the internet, and I have done the paraphrasing effectively. So until here is rephrase or paraphrase. Okay. Now you have to give your opinion. It is very important. In this essay they have asked opinion here. Has this become a positive or negative development? This trend is inevitably advantageous. This trend is inevitably, certainly advantageous, as they can stay in touch with relatives and friends living miles away. So now most individuals, for most individuals I have used they. You can use individuals, you can use mankind, you can use people, so you can use the same. This trend is inevitably advantageous as individuals, mankind can stay in touch with relatives, or individuals can stay in touch with relatives and friends living miles away. So what is this? This is the opinion. Okay. Now what have I done? I have already merged. I have merged opinion and outline. So in the first statement I have given the rephrase or paraphrased it. In the second statement I have given the opinion along with outlining my ideas. So this is more than enough for the introduction. In the next lecture I am going to explain supporting paragraphs in detail.